Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you find yourself involved in some small electronics projects? Well, you may be in need of these extension cables from MoTrent. So this is a set of 33-pin extension cables. These are great because there are 5 different lengths, so a variety of different applications you can use these. These could be used in things like remote control cars, little helicopters. We use this for a laser engraver modification. So just tons of different applications that you might be able to use these with. They are really well made. The connections are very strong. They are really simple to install. The pins work great, really good connections. So we just found these to be the perfect thing for our project. And it's great that you get a nice amount so you have them on hand for any project that might come up. So if you are looking for some extension cables for some small electronics projects that you are working on, and I would definitely check these out from MoTrent, and that's my point of view.